welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm finally getting to open my Boxycharm. I have been looking forward to this box all month, so this is funny because Boxycharm's birthday month is also my birthday month. My birthday is next Thursday. I'm gonna be 25. Woo, I'm so excited and nervous, but how cute, we both have the same birthday month. So this Boxycharm has like one extra thing in it instead of 5. There's 6, so I'm pretty stoked to open this. I've been waiting for it, and yeah, so let's get into this video, guys. If you've watched previous videos, it takes me like 9 years to open things, almost always. Ha, fingernails. All right, I don't know, I just think that's so cute, the little hello charmer part. Okay, so in this month's Boxycharm, the first product is the Cover FX Blurring Primer. I am so excited to try this out. I love Cover FX. Ow, sorry, my sleeves are like real flowy, so my cat thinks I'm a toy. And my other cat thinks I'm a toy. Hold on. Okay, anyways, so I'm super excited to try out this primer. I love their product. I've used their foundation before, and it worked really well. And their highlighting drops are really pretty. So I'm super excited to try this out and see if it works well on my skin or not, and if it actually blurs the pores or not. Next in this little charm thing is this gigantic brush. Aesthetica P12. Look how big this thing is. It's huge. I would probably use this for blush or powder. Pina. Pina. Here's baby Pina. Look at her. She's crazy. She keeps attacking my clothes. So let's all say hello, since you guys haven't been in a video for a minute. Say hi. Hi everybody on the YouTube.
Isn't he just so precious? You're a good boy. You're a good boy.
Looking pretty. Okay, I'm not sure what I was saying, but I would use this for blush because it's just so gigantic. Next is this Boxycharm Matte Lip Gloss by Creation. Sir, the color of this, like hot pink. So it's a long wear matte lip gloss. They are cruelty free. Sorry, I have cat hair in my mouth. Alright, let's swatch this baby. So that is this color. It's very intense. I like it though. It's really pretty. So we'll have to try that eventually. Then this little dude, it's the same brand as this brush for these little dudes. So there's 3 of them. This one is an eyeliner brush. So it's like super thin and tiny. Then this one, brush out your brows. And this one, I mean, this is really thick, so I wouldn't do my eyebrows with it, but you could probably do eyeliner with this one as well. So lots of brushes in this box. And then this cute little, pretty vulgar thingy. And it is eyeliner. It is like cream, so no pouring out for this little dude, but it looks like a little ink jar. It's so cute. I'm like obsessed. This is like the cutest thing ever. It's got like little feathers on it. I don't know if you can see that, but it's really cute. So it's like a little ink jar. And then I've actually been looking forward to this because I saw it on their Instagram. This thing is wrapped. Holy moly. Yay, it's so cute. Look how pretty. So there is highlight and contour in this little dude, and it says you are the sculptor of your own destiny. You're the sculptor of your own destiny is what the little mirror says up here. How cute is that? But look at those colors. All right, let's see what this one looks like. So that's that color if you can see it. It's real shiny. That's the second one. The second one's darker, so it shows up better. The contour colors. So those are those two. I don't know if I could use the darkest one, the founder one. I could use it as eyeshadow though, if I really wanted to, I guess. But yeah, this is so cute, and I think it smells good. Oh, they smell good too. Oh my goodness. I was like so stoked to get that. Now that I'm like all into contouring, hold on, I have to smell this, sorry. Oh, that smells like fruity. Oh my, and look how it dried down. It's so cute. It still smells good on your hand. Bam! That is my Boxycharm products. And this cute little card has the prices, if I could figure this out. So this little dude, this is $30. This primer right here is $38. These brushes, these 3, are $45 together. This big gigantic brush is 27. This lip color is 10. And then this little eyeliner here is 24. That's a pretty good deal for $21. In my next video, I will be trying all of them out for you guys. So that will be up after this one, obviously. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I was so stoked to open this box, mainly for the palette. Like, let's be real here. I'm so excited to try all that on my face. I don't put eyeliner on like with this, so that will be entertaining. I don't think I've ever tried, so it will be my first time. I usually just use like a normal pen eyeliner. It will be funny to watch. So if you guys want to see me do that for the very first time, look for my next video after this one. Have a good rest of your day, guys, and don't forget to subscribe if you would like to, and leave a comment below if you guys are Boxycharm receivers or not. And if you got, I know they're like usually the same products, but I know sometimes they're like different colors and stuff. So you should let me know in the comments below which product was your favorite out of all of these. Thank you guys. Have a good day.